In this clip, I want to look at the interior pockets on my travel backpack. The first thing I'll show you is just the easy to get to backpack, easy to get to pocket. In here, I just stuck some electronics. I wanted to have a speaker with me, obviously some recharging for my phone, an extra pair of sunglasses. One of the very few things that I was redundant on in all this packing was sunglasses. I didn't want to be in another country and have bright light shining my eyes. I also threw my wallet in here. It was an interior pocket, therefore less likely to be stolen, I figured. So this is an easy pocket to get to, and once it's packed at least. So some things I might want to use kind of en route. Another interior pocket, I just threw in a wool hat in case it was cool, and some wool gloves. I don't think I ever needed the gloves, but if I would have needed them, it'd be great to have. The one thing that's really useful in the inside of this pack is this pocket. This is my dirty clothes pocket. So what happens is as the travel bags get smaller and smaller, the travel cubes, I stuffed my dirty clothes in here. It just gave a little bit of a space, a gap between the things that were dirty and smelly and the things that were still clean. Not perfect, but again, you're living out of a backpack, so that's what you can do. I brought with me some laundry soap and some paracord and a few clips to hang things up. This is one of the rare things that I didn't use on my entire trip, but I've used them in the past. So if you don't have laundry service, this is something that's useful, and I just threw it down in the bottom of my bag. At one point, a security personnel couldn't find this, and I had to unpack my bag and say, oh, it's the laundry's soap. There it is. So one thing there. The only other interior packet of interest here is this zipper, which actually I don't think the manufacturer intends to be used as a pocket. I think it's probably a manufacturing feature. So I never went into this pocket here, but what I did do is stick a copy of my passport in there, just in case something went wrong and I needed some documentation for a U.S. consulate somewhere. So a pocket that wasn't used for anything other than just a backup of my passport. That covers all the interior pockets. The next video we'll look at the exterior pockets. This has been Traveler Rob.